bitches, and I'm gonna spend it in the house, you know, because quarantined. But I'm gonna try to make the best of it, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I just finished making myself breakfast, and I'm eating butter toast, sausage, avocado with salt and pepper, and some eggs, and that's going to be my breakfast. About to get my hair slayed. So I finished my hair. Hold on. I finished my hair. It looks good. I just have it up in a scarf so my baby hairs can lay. I'm about to do my makeup. I broke my mirror, so I have to use this, my big mirror. It's okay, I literally just broke my mirror just now. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. We have stuff everywhere, but I'm gonna do my makeup now. It's me and my sister's birthday, so she's actually getting her hair braided. My mom's helping her braid her hair so she can put her wig on. I believe I'm 25, y'all. Like, I'm 25. But yeah, I'm gonna make the best of it, so that's why me and my sister have decided to just still get our hair done any way we can. So like I had my hairdresser make my hair into a wig, so that was easier for me to put it on. So that's what I did, and my sister helped me put it on. I'm still gonna try to look cute and take pictures to post it on Instagram. I'm gonna tell my other sister, because she's coming here to say hi or whatever. I'm gonna tell her to bring up Polaroids just so I can have pictures for memory. So that's really what I'm doing for my birthday. Highlight, I kind of want to add just a little bit more just to brighten up my eyes, but here's the deal. The one I have is white. It's from ColourPop and it's a light 18. So I don't know how light it's gonna be underneath my eyes. I don't want to look crazy. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. Cause look how white it is. You ready? Okay, I'm just gonna add. I'm just gonna add like 3 dots. It's not that bad. Makeup is done. I just gotta put on my lippy, but I'm gonna do that after I blow my balloons. So this is the makeup look. So that is it for my birthday vlog. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Right now I'm just gonna spend time with my family, so that's all the noise you guys hear right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Girl, I wanna change your name to my last name. You've been around for hours, feel like you just